Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review, and right now I'm not going to be reviewing Inferno. यार मैं जिस पिक्चर के लिए एक्साइटेड होती हूँ वो ऐसी क्यों निकलती है इवेंचुअली ऑलवेज इन्फर्नो इज द थर्ड इन द डैन ब्राउन रॉन हावर्ड सीरीज. रॉबर्ट लैंगडन है बेचारा फिर से मर्डर मिस्ट्री में फंस गया है और इस बार तो सीन ही खराब है.
Seek and find. Zobrist created a plague.
एक सन की बिलियनर नेम ऑफ जोब्रिस्ट he has created a plague which for some reason उसने प्लास्टिक की थैली में बंद करके छुपा दिया है. I am not kidding, it is in a पन्नी का बैग. So Langdon, he wakes up one day in a hospital in Florence. He has no idea how he got there and who all these people are. All he knows is that he has been handed a clue to find aforementioned plague and now it's his job to save the world. क्योंकि अगर ये थैली फट गई तो the plague will wipe out the human population by 50%. If anyone can do it, it's Tom Hanks. He is accompanied by Felicity Jones, so cute. Well, her character is a child prodigy, now a doctor, and she runs around with him solving one clue at a time.
Here's another one. Prophecy.
Irfan Khan, my Jan. He plays the provost, or Harry Sims, who is the head of a super secret private organization. Their job is to keep secrets, well, secret. Then there is the World Health Organization, museum curators, all of them get involved on this seemingly wild goose chase.
Humans would want it. And what they'd do to get it.
Without Professor Langdon, no one can find the virus.
Don't trust anyone.
Oh, and Dante is thrown in the mix too. I don't know, man. I haven't read the book. And this brings me to my biggest problem with this film. For a movie which is so plot heavy, my head became heavy trying to follow said plot. अब किताब का क्या है? कुछ अगर समझ नहीं आया तो पॉज करो, गो बैक अ फ्यू पेजेस, रीड, नॉड योर हेड कि अब सब समझ में आ गया एंड गो अच्छा. Especially when the references are difficult to catch and understand. अब मूवी के साथ तो ऐसा नहीं कर सकते ना. क्या भैया जरा वो पॉज करो, पॉज करके रिवाइंड करना जरा पिछला सीन था. हाँ बताओ. ओह, अगली परेशानी रॉबर्ट लैंगडन. भाई आप अपने प्रोटैगनिस्ट की हीरो वर्शिप नहीं करवा सकते क्योंकि he literally has a super smart woman solving all the puzzles for him. I am not kidding, she does everything. And I'm like, अब सब कुछ जब फेलिसिटी जोन्स ही कर रही हैं तो हीरो टॉम हैंक्स कैसे? बट है तो है, छोड़ो. ये ना परेशानी सारी स्टोरी लेवल पर ही है. Billionaire has made a plague, hid it in a पिशवी, not told anyone its whereabouts because top secret, but has left a map behind to people to go and find it. Why? Why leave a map? किसी एक को बता दो, at least then the information won't fall into World Health Organization's hands, ना? बड़ा वेल है. Oh, and since when has the World Health Organization started acting like गरीबों का FBI? They have surveillance drones, super fit, muscly officers, killers, masterminds, सब. बच्चे बड़े होकर साइंटिस्ट इसलिए बनते हैं. अब द डा विंची कोड में ऑथेंटिसिटी हो या ना हो, एक सेंस ऑफ लॉजिक तो था. The Dead Sea Scrolls are a real thing. Priory of Pune Station Sion. That's all maha interesting. But here, मतलब जबरदस्ती डांटे की poems को घुसा दिया with the madman's idea of Inferno. Like I said on Twitter, Irfan Khan is literally the best thing about this film, in my opinion. He is so good, and I am so proud, and also very much in love, and I mean it. I loved his scenes better than 2 times Oscar winner Tom Hanks, 1 time Oscar nominee Felicity Jones. I am not even biased, he's just that good. The movie, not so much. Every time the screenplay cut to the visions Langdon gets of hell and post-plague modern world, my thoughts immediately went to the infernal headache I was beginning to develop. And well, that is not a pleasant feeling. On a scale of 1 to 10, Inferno is 3 times now Ron Howard has done this. Goes to show critics कि कोई नहीं सुनता बॉस. आप बोलते रहो ना, बस करो काम. You know, Dante in his Inferno spoke about 9 circles of hell. Peter Bradshaw from The Guardian called this Inferno the 10th. Well, if you don't subscribe to Film Companion, you'll go to the 11th. Subscribe now and get your film fix.